Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you how to make these crochet bear coasters. I used a medium worsted yarn and a G hook. You can find the pattern down below, and if this is too fast you can place it in slow motion. There's a link on how to do that below. And if you are learning how to do basic stitches, I have a playlist for that as well. Okay, so let's get started. You can create a magic circle, or I'm going to show you another way, which is a chain 4. So create a slip knot onto your hook, yarn over and pull through. Then yarn over, insert your hook in the first chain, grab the yarn over and pull through for a double crochet, and then yarn over and pull through to complete. Now you have this one and then this one here, and that will count as 2, and you need 12 altogether. Complete until you have 12, and then on top of the chain 3, slip stitch. And then chain 3, double crochet in the same stitch as the chain 3, and then 2 double crochet in each stitch around. And that will be a total of 24. Okay, on the top of the chain 3, slip stitch. Make sure you have all 24, and then chain 3. And then in the next stitch you're going to work 2 double crochet, which is an increase. And then 1 double crochet. And then 2 double crochet. And then 1, and then 2, and then repeat that until you get to the beginning. So then 2 next. So you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Slip stitch in the chain 3 again. This round you're going to chain 3 and then double crochet in the next, and then 2 double crochet in the next, and then 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then 2 double crochet. So 1, 2, and then 2 increase, and then repeat that until you get to the beginning. Okay, now you're going to chain 1, skip 2 stitches, these 2 right here, going to skip, and then you're going to go into this stitch and work 8 double crochet. And then you have this double crochet. After your 8 double crochet, you have your stitch here you're going to skip, and then slip stitch, and then slip stitch in the next 5. You're going to skip here and go to the next and work 8 double crochet. And then skip this stitch and then slip stitch and slip stitch all the way to the beginning ear. So go all the way around until you get to the beginning. Now you're at the end, you're going to slip stitch and you can weave in your ends. So go to the back here and just weave in your ends a couple of times, and then your project is complete. You can add a little face. You can add a nose with a thread yarn and a horizontal line. And then you can secure it in the back here by tying it and weaving in your ends. I hope you enjoyed this crochet bear coaster tutorial. The pattern for this is down below, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.